Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program that will ask a number from the user, and then our program will print odd numbers using C programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, avid subscribers, silent viewers, and visitors to my channel. If you like this kind of video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. Some of my subscribers asking me what type of IDE or integrated development environment that I'm using in writing my programs, particularly C and C++ programming language. I'm using div C++ most of the time. Sometimes I'm using code blocks. Okay, so here we have several library files in C. Sharp includes tdo.h for input output, int main, begin, and then I declare two variables, I and n, which has a data type of integer. When we say integer, it is a data type that consists only of whole numbers, negative and positive numbers including 0. Print add numbers in C, give a number n, and then we have here the display add numbers between 1 and dr, horizontal tab T, and then using for loop statement here, I equals 1, initial value here, I less than equals to n, I plus equals to 2, and then it will print the add numbers here, and then we close, and then end the program, which informs the user that the program has been ended close. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free. Let us compile and run. Okay, print add numbers in C, give a number, let's say we have 50. So we have here several values that are add numbers. Okay, another example, let us run again. Let's say we have 20. So we have here 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, and 19 add numbers. So this is the end of our tutorial video on how to print add numbers based on the given numbers by our user in C programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.